Between Governor DeSantis and school districts over requiring masks in schools is far from over. When it comes to that lawsuit over his ban on mask mandates, a lot has happened in the last 24 hours, and a new hearing is already on the calendar. Our Liz Crawford breaks down where we are and what's next.
1 week ago, Judge John Cooper struck down Governor DeSantis' order banning mask mandates in schools.
It has been given this discretion by the Florida legislature.
If only it were that simple. The judge filed the written order Thursday. Hours later, the governor's attorneys filed an appeal.
Here's where things get tangled. That appeal prompted an automatic stay, which invalidates the judge's ruling. Now the governor's order can remain in place while the appeal process plays out.
A 3-judge panel will scrutinize the case and apply Florida law. 2 relevant documents, the Florida Constitution and the newly passed Parents' Bill of Rights.
The executive order and the Board of Health rule don't actually allow an opportunity for the school board to say, here's our reason for a mask mandate. They just say no. And the judge said that violates the Parental Bill of Rights.
It could be at least a month before we get a ruling from the higher court. In the meantime, 12 school districts, including Hillsborough and Sarasota, are defying the governor's order by requiring masks in schools.
Once it's in the court system, it's out of your hands. But remember, much of this started with you when you voted for your school board members.
Our job, whether we like what they're doing or not, we could be thrilled or we could be appalled, is to hold them accountable because we are responsible for choosing them.
The plaintiffs in the case filed a motion to vacate the stay, so now the judge will hear arguments on Wednesday. The outcome will determine whether the governor can enforce his order banning mask mandates.